Hi everyone, it's Damien. Just took my break uploading the first part of the exercise. And yeah, I was saying that like the code is working, but it's not actually like really Ruby-ish. So I'm trying to, because I know that I did it in a one-liner. How to say that? It's a one-liner. Like the method basically can be done with a one-liner, and now there is like this part is sort of mandatory. You can let's say that, but let's don't take this into account. And now there is one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight line, and I know that Ruby can take care of all of that for me. So, but first of all, let's try to like remove the things we don't really need. Like, for example, the return here, we don't really need it because Ruby interprets the last line as a return in a method. So let's run it again to see what's going on. So it should be working fine. Yeah. And now, basically, what we are doing, we have a counter, we have a distance, and basically, uh, what we are doing is like we are comparing each characters to see if they are different, and each time they are different, we actually increase the distance while doing a loop on those trends. And I think Ruby can do it. I mean, it's not I think, I know Ruby can take care of that for me. So I'm just gonna look uh, Ruby, I think it's a 6 now. Let's hide Ruby core. I think that's it. I should go there basically. So let's go in a string class, the string class, and I think there is methods that are taking care of that for you. So count how many characters. So let's see. No, there is just chars. Return an array of character in a string. It's basically, so basically this is what we sort of doing. Chars, and when I've got the array, I guess I can sort of do stuff with the array. Sorry about that. Okay. Where is the array class? Yeah, here we go. So when we did the array, we can look through difference. What is the difference? You return an array. For that, return a new array that is a copy of the receiver, removing any items that also appear in any of the array given as an argument. The order is preserved like, okay, so 3 and 5. Oh, maybe we can do that actually. C and yep. is the A though? It's like, it's weird. Well, let's try that. I never really played with that. So let's try. So let's say that this part of the code is working. Let's comment it. And let's do, so I want it to, basically, yeah, I want it to do that. So strand. And I don't really, I'm not, I guess at that point, I'm not really, like, how to say, I cannot really say what is Ruby-ish or not. I just know because, for this specific exercise, because I did it before and I know that it can be, Ruby can take care of all that stuff for you. So that's why, but I'm not saying that I know what is Ruby code and what is not, Ruby-ish code and what is not. So let's do shows this way. Is that right? This will return an array, and I can do difference, and I can probably count basically difference, and I can do that string 2 shows. Let's see what's gonna happen here. And this will return an array, and so let's sort of put that here. Let's see what's going on with that. I should not, well, I should probably like different diff. Yeah, let's go to diff to see the difference. Let's return, actually, you know what? Let's actually, so our test, I'm just uncommented the code, so our like our code is still working basically. I don't know why it did that though. Okay, why is it doing that? It's like, I don't know, it's weird. Okay, so let's see. Well, oh, okay, sorry, yeah, I understand now. Well, I should have done that, actually. Come on. Let's go, man. Come on. What is that? Puts, blah, 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 blah. Alright, so what's going on? Okay, so the only difference here is in the last, like, not really the last, but the second one. So long identical, you should have done it for this one also. I guess, like G, okay. Why is not working? And if I do, like, it's weird, sort of weird. Now I'm just playing. I just discovered a method and I'm just trying stuff. I should have put like size. It's actually weird, but I don't know why it didn't show the difference. Oh. Test along difference trend. Okay, so all of them are working. Not this one. So long difference trend, what's the case here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. No, I should have raised an error. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 11. Sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. So they have the same distance. And it's actually returned 0. I don't know why. Like it should have, I mean, it should have. Okay, so return an array that is a copy of the receiver. A copy of the receiver. Remove any item that also appear in the arrays of the arrays given as argument. Okay, so return a copy of the receiver. So we basically return a copy of that, removing any item that also appears here. And okay, so it's probably not what we want, because we got here and yeah, so this is not probably what we want, because this is actually removing stuff from the array. So yeah, so let's see, what can I do? It's not reverse, it's not it's not join. So I know at least that I have the chars thing here. It's trying to well, I guess, is there a count or something? Yeah, there's a count. Collect. Yes. How can I do that? So I have the errors, and I'm actually sort of cheating, because I know that there is that method, isn't? I mean, I use that method, I think, when I did it. So I sort of remember, but not really. Convert any arguments to arrays, then merge element of self with corresponding element from each argument. That generate a sequence of array size and element. Oh my god. Is it? It's probably not that. No, I basically wanna sort of compare that. How can I do that? It's not okay. It's not difference is not each file further include map It's not really that. It's shift take, short slave select. So let's see what I want to do. I have this as this will give me sort of like something like that. Like I don't know why I did that, but yeah. So let's say that I have that. What I want to do is for all element, I want to count for all element of this of the first strand. I want to count which one is different from the other strand. So I guess I have to go. I have to do each stuff. I forgot the name of the. It's not. Iteratable. It's not iteratable. When you can loop through something, there is a class. It's not comparable. It's oh my god. What is it? Iterate is not iterate, is oh you know, there is like in any language, I guess. I mean, I used to do Java, and there is a class like yeah, iterator, I think. Like Ruby, it's not really like maybe iteratable, maybe enumerable. Here we go. I think this is that. Enumerable. Is it done? No, it's not. And is it like 262? Okay. And then I will. It's not really the zip one. Is it the H? Where is it? H con H entry. Join inspect equal H here. And this is for array. Let's see that. So okay, let's do like H so like how did they call it in the exercise? I think it's something it's nucleic or nucleotide. I think it was nucleotide before. I don't know why that sort of not change it, but I don't know. In particular, because nucleic acid are right also. I don't know. Just different. Yeah, I got to do that. Oh my god. Just gonna enumerate. It's not really enumerate. Like, think of what you want to do, what you want to do. It's not that. It's not really a count, because a count is like, oh, okay. Maybe it's actually a count. Array X. Okay, so there is 1, 2. Okay, it's probably count, maybe. Count. Like, click. Different than string 2. It's not Charles, but how can we? So I would like to be able to, because here when I do that, this I have a string. Now with that it's an array, and now I can count. So it will enumerate each character of the first trend, and I want to be able to compare this character to a character of, to a character of the second trend. But if I do that, it's not really the same. So it's not really that. I think I cannot do a count, I cannot do, and I don't want to do another loop, because anyway, even though I do it, it will do for like, no, it's not, no, it's not necessary, and it won't do what I want if I do another loop. Oh my god. How can I do that? Alright, all collect combination concat count delete drop each index. So zip window, no, it's not what I want to do. It's not really that. My goodness. Filter find, reduce, reverse some. Maybe the sum way does a job actually. Well, is there a sum here? Oh, there's some here. Yeah, but it's not really what I want to. Ooh. Object multiplier. I mean, it could work, but I don't know. Change the sum. Basically, just I have to have this line here. I have to find a way to do that in here. It's not sum, it's not h, maybe it's h, it's probably count. Maybe the h with index, h, let's see that. Thing is, I don't even try my code, I'm just thinking. Yeah, so let's, where is it? H with index. H index. So now, oh, that would be oh, maybe this one actually. Index, and it's not really index. It's like, strand, oh, string one. This index. Yeah, I know it's not that. Different than string 2. Maybe it's probably that. I'm not sure at all. Index. Alright. Now I have that, but I actually well, let's try that, see what's going on. I don't think it's working, but let's try. Yeah. Yeah. So what is saying? Expected. Oh. Should I do count? Or maybe should I don't know. Maybe. No, you cannot really count here because it's not an array. Oh! Oh, it's actually working. But I did not really understand it. Like each with index. Like it's actually, oh, each with index is actually returning a numerator. And then you can call the count on the enumerator. Where is the count here? Yeah, it's actually here. Okay. But well, did I really need that? Oh, because string doesn't have the each with index, I think. You can have the character, you can have, okay, so I had to transform it into an array. And then, so it's not really an index, but let's try new, how's it called, nucleic, something. So I think I have it now. Okay, nucleic. And here. Well, I mean, I could, yeah. Strand 1, transform it into an array. Then for each with index, you go through strand that and strand here. Alright. Maybe there is another way to do it. Let's see how I did it on the first thing. Maybe it was that. I don't really remember actually. Yeah, it was actually that. It was actually that. Oh. But here I did chars. Chars index. I have the index. Okay, so I think I'm good for now. See pretty much the same thing, but here I did the chars again. Why did I do chars again? Oh, because I don't really need. Yeah, I actually could do index because the chars is useless because a string is actually considered as an array, sort of. So you can basically call it like that. Like you can have a character using that, basically. So yeah, here I have it. Let's see if I can remove some. I'm probably gonna try something else. How did I call it here? Strand sharp. Yeah, it was nucleotide here, and they changed it. They call it nucleic. I don't know. Whatever. Index count. Blah blah blah. Because this is a string that I can transform as an array, which I go through using an index, which return an enumerator, I don't know, enumerable, I think. Yeah, it return actually an enumerator, and which that enumerator I can call a count on it, and I can do that. So because it's going through the index, basically it would have been better to call the method H with like H nucleic. It would have been great, but you can't actually do that. I mean, I can do it. I mean, I don't know if I can do it myself, but I will have to. Yeah, it can be something fun, like try to sort of re-event another method called H nucleic. So you go through each nucleic, but it at the same time it doesn't really make sense because it's just an array. It's not a specific like class. A nucleic is not really a class. So yeah, so here I have it. Thank you guys for watching. I'm gonna shut down the video and I'm gonna upload it. Bye bye. I'm gonna eat this time. It's actually time for lunch. See you.